All right, so this is 9-2 day 2, and this is a continuation. You don't need a new table or title page or update your table of contents. We just need to continue on. So example 4, copy down the problem, and then we have a complex fraction here, and we've got adding and subtracting fractions. So our first step is going to be simplify the numerator and then simplify the denominator. So step 1 is simplify. Numerator and the denominator. Okay, so let's take a look at each one separately. Now we have to have the least common denominator, and so we need to have an extra b on the first fraction, and we need to have another a on the second fraction. So when we combine that together, now we have ab in the denominator, and we have 1b, or just b, plus 1a, which is just a. So that's our numerator. Now our second fraction, or the denominator, is like 1 over 1 here. And so all that it's missing is a b over here. So we'll simplify that to just have a b in the denominator. And then it's 1 minus 1b, or just b. And now we've got simplified numerators and denominator. And so the second thing is to divide. And the key words that we can say to ourselves is copy, change, flip. So we copy the first one, b plus a over ab, change it to multiplying, and we flip the second one. Okay, anything that we can cancel? We've got a b there. Now be careful here. A common thing people would like to do is cancel that a with that a, but that is not something that you can do. You have to cancel whole groups. So you can't just cancel a out of part of a group. So at this point, not much really that we can do. And so we just rewrite the top is b plus a. And the bottom could be written two ways. A over 1 minus, or a times 1 minus b. That might be one way that you see it. Or it could be distributed through as a minus ab. Either one of those are possible ways it could be written. All right, let's go to your left page and try this problem. And let's try another one. So now, again, we simplify the numerator and the denominator. So the first one, it's like 1 again. So we just need x's over there. Now we've got common denominators. And we've got 2 minus 1x, or just x. And then on the next one, it needs an x in the first one, and the second one needs a y. Now they both have an xy on the bottom. And then we go x minus 3y. And now we can do copy, change, flip. 2 minus x over x, change it to multiplying, and flip it over. Okay, what can cancel here? And so we end up with 2y minus x over x minus 3y. Oh, and I realized that I forgot to put that y through both times. And so that would be our final answer. There's nothing we could really, we could factor this out. It's probably going to be written like that, but it could have also been written out as y and then 2 minus x over x minus 3y. Either one of those might be possible ways that it could be written out. Again, go to your left page. Try this one over on your left page. And now we are done with the lesson, so you can go ahead and write your questions and your summaries, and let me know if you have any questions when you get to class.